Hey guys, it's Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well, today is Christmas Tour 2019. So I am finished now with my decor and I just wanted to show you briefly how I decorated. And you see my DIYs and my hauls from Z Gallery to Goodwill, Home Goods, Hobby Lobbies. And I just wanted to show you real quick what I have done. So I appreciate your support and also want to thank each and every one of you for get me to the point of almost 14,000 subscribers this year. And I really enjoy doing what I do. It's hard work, but I really enjoy what I'm doing. And also, also for loving my kitty Sarah here. So we're blinging out, you see, we're blinging out our Christmas hats today. I made both of these hats with material from Hobby Lobby. So I just wanted to show you how we can bling it out. And she doesn't look too happy, but that's okay. She'll get over it. I just want to show you again my beautiful apartment. A lot of you guys didn't know I lived in an apartment. I just want to show you how you can make your apartment a home and make it livable for a home, and also decorate it just like any other house. Even though you're a renter, you can still decorate your apartment just like it's anyone else's home. So it doesn't matter if you have 500 feet or 5,000 square feet. Your home is still your home, and you can decorate it from apartment to a large home. It doesn't matter, guys. All right, so I just want to show you my beautiful 2019 Christmas my decor is. So this year I am doing cranberries and champagne with a little touch of gold and silver. All right guys, I was doing a little nostalgic, from nostalgic to bling, old school and new. All right guys, and a little glam decor in it as well. So I hope you enjoy this tour, and again, thank you again, and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's, and everyone have a safe holiday. This will be the last Christmas video of the year. And yes, guys, there is one more video after Christmas, which is the guest bathroom tour. It's all ready for you, okay? So again, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you're not a subscriber, I would really love you to be a part of Mooregirl's family, and I really appreciate your support. All right guys, I appreciate you. I love you so much, me and Sarah. All right, so again, it's your Mooregirl. Say goodbye, Sarah. Kisses. Sarah's not having it. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. All right guys, it's Mooregirl.